Dear friends, I was casually browsing the other day OLX, which is a local equivalent to Craigslist for some of you. So one picture caught my eye, which is full of some figurines, sculptures, glasses, antiquary items, and between them was some parts for a guitar, which was listed as parts for guitar at €50. I called, we had some communication with the seller, and when I asked if he can make some discount, he sent it. He basically told me that for €40 he will be glad to separate with the items. So I saw one guitar body, only the wood items, and one box of Fender, which is actually Fender Japan. And I said, okay, for €40, no matter, send it my way now. I mean, Ron. This item is quite interesting. I will show you, and maybe we'll make one small quiz if you can guess what it is. Okay, and here is the box. It's written Fender underneath. There is the Fender Japan written also, and we have something which is clearly not a Fender. But what is it? This is the moment that you can pause the video and check in the comments and advise me, what do you think it is? It looks like a very small Gibson Les Paul, but it's not a Les Paul, with a very big neck and head. Check it out. So I hope we don't have a communication breakdown and failure to communicate, because this is something ancient. This is a very old guitar, the Husqvarna, on the wood, and it is made in Japan in the 50s. This is the first competitor of Japan, of the Telecasters of Fender, and Gibson, I don't know, Les Paul, it was at that time, it was in the late 50s, like a cheap competitor to the American electric guitars. Chuck Berry is thought to have one, also Ringo Starr, and this information is from Wikipedia, which is a very trusted source in the internet. So what we have is a very old wood, and you can guess that is old because there is no truss rod. I will show you the details of this husk or skeleton for a guitar in a bit. Guitar came in a Fender carton box with a very strange code. It's a Fender Japan. Check this out. This is some strange Fender products for left-hand users, but we are here to check what is in the box. And what we have here is a very small wooden body with a very big head, and right inside here with a dovetail set neck, places for the pickups, and selector, mahogany body with what I guess is like veneer top, maple top, mahogany body with veneer maple. This is it. Very light, very small, and inside the neck there is not a throat, but there are two inserts, and we can check what exactly this is. What came with the guitar is also this fingerboard, and this fingerboard we see immediately there is no frets, no fret markers, and we have some tasks ahead to do. Check the measurements, think about the markers, the fretboards, find some hardware for this, maybe something like this it will look like, and we'll manage it in the end. I guess we'll make a series of how to do it. Well, consider this teaser of the series to come, and write in the comment what is it. I didn't tell exactly what it is. I just showed the hints. There is no throat, small body. Also, it is a big head. I thought that Chuck Berry and Ringo Starr had one in the 50s. I thought it was in the late 50s. So put your guesses in the comments. There is no price, but you will be on board on the restoration of this guitar.